lot of questions about independent contractors. You know, how do I use them? What documents need to be put in place? How do I make sure they're actually an independent contractor and not an employee in disguise? All valid questions. Typically, businesses are looking to use independent contractors because they don't have to worry about reporting taxes and all of that, and they seem to think there's more flexibility as opposed to using employees. Independent contractors obviously are a big issue nationwide right now, the gig economy and all of that. In particular, in Virginia, it's just become more difficult to classify a worker as an independent contractor as opposed to an employee. The default position now, according to the state of Virginia, is that anyone who does work for you is an employee. So it will be on the business or the employer to show that someone working for them meets the qualifications of an independent contractor should that issue ever come up. So businesses need to be very aware of how to, one, classify a worker as an independent contractor, two, how to manage that worker so that they don't default into an actual employee. And then they need to stay on top of these laws. They're changing quickly. How you manage them, what needs to be in place, and make sure you're putting in place proper files and documentation to show that this person who's working for you is an independent contractor as opposed to an employee.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comments. We look forward to helping you on your entrepreneurship journey to build a feasible, sustainable, and profitable business. So subscribe, and we will see you once again next week.